Martin Onyango.
Duol makedone ratich oganda e pachoka oyangoni oseyudo buche maromo 57 mag jogo mabiro roch ratichgi kamoting'o nek mar jokedne ratich oganda. Jakom mar duolno Clarice Oganga dwaro mondo mi sirikal otim nonro mapiyo piyo kendo kaw okang' mar chik ne obila mabende tudo kod ketho makamano.
During the period December 2024 to December 2025, the Commission documented 57 violations on the right to life. These include the killing of a human rights defender, one Richard Otieno in Molo, the fatal shooting of a minor in Kiambu County, land clashes that saw 5 people killed in Angata Baragoi, the murder of a civilian Albert Ojwang in police custody, among others. Commission further calls on the Inspector General to expedite investigations into the killings and to bring the perpetrators to book.
Duolno bende koro wacho ni nitiere buche maromo kata ng'ur maromo 661 mabende itudo godo obila e pacho kae kalure kod arocho ratich oganda e kinde mag ng'anyo kanyakla kod ndhiyo oganda mopogore opogore kinde mag ng'anyo. Duolno bende koro dwaro mondo mi piny owacho okaw okang' mager ne obila makamago.
And regrets the resurgence of cases of arbitrary detentions and torture, including abductions and enforced disappearances, allegedly committed by security officials. And during the period under review, 15 cases of abductions were reported. And while the Commission has observed a relative calm and improved security in North Rift counties, gazetted as disturbed and dangerous, of West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Turkana and Samburu, the Commission remains concerned over reports of extrajudicial killings allegedly by security officers under Operation Maliza Uhalifu. The Commission is in receipt of 12 complaints of abductions, torture and extrajudicial killings which occurred in parts of Marakwet East, Pokot Central and Tiaty counties.